What if I told you that just 50 squats a day could completely transform your body, boost your stamina, and build powerful muscles without any gym equipment? Squats are one of the most effective full-body exercises, and when done daily, they can deliver incredible results. In today's video, we'll break down exactly what happens to your body when you do 50 squats every day, and why this simple habit can improve your strength, endurance, and overall performance. First, let's talk about muscle development. Squats primarily target your legs and glutes, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and hip muscles. Doing 50 squats daily helps these muscles grow stronger, firmer, and more defined. Over time, your lower body becomes more powerful and stable. Second, squats are excellent for boosting stamina and endurance. Because squats engage multiple muscle groups at once, your heart rate increases, improving blood circulation and oxygen delivery. This leads to better cardiovascular endurance and less fatigue during daily activities or workouts. Another major benefit is core strength. Squats force your core muscles to stay tight and balanced, strengthening your abs and lower back. A stronger core improves posture, balance, and reduces the risk of injuries. Squats also support hormone production, especially testosterone and growth hormone. These hormones play a key role in muscle growth, recovery, and overall energy levels, making squats beneficial for both performance and vitality. Let's not forget fat burning and metabolism. Performing 50 squats daily helps burn calories and increase your metabolic rate, making it easier to maintain a lean and athletic physique. Lastly, squats improve joint health and mobility. When done with proper form, they strengthen the knees, hips, and ankles, helping your body move more efficiently and confidently. So, whether your goal is stronger muscles, higher stamina, or better overall fitness, 50 squats a day can make a real difference. Start slow, focus on proper form, and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.